A common obstacle that stops people from adding a garden pond to their yard is that they think it will attract mosquitoes. I have a friend that lives in an area that is reclaimed swamp, and he already has a mosquito problem. He's worried that if he adds a pond, the problem will get worse. It's a valid concern. Not only are mosquito bites annoying, mosquitoes can carry and pass on quite serious diseases. But I think that having a pond actually reduces the amount of mosquitoes. That is, provided the pond is healthy. Of course, I'm biased, I have lots of ponds. If you don't already know me, my name is Kev, and the aim of my channel is to help people build and maintain ponds without spending a fortune. If that sounds like something that interests you, you might like to subscribe and check out my website, Ozponds.com. Mosquitoes need water to reproduce, so it does make sense for people to be concerned that adding a large body of water to their yard will attract mosquitoes. However, the water they want is stagnant and shallow. The water in the drainage tray of a potted plant, a bird bath, or sitting in the roof gutters is a perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes. A well-designed pond will be deeper, the water is moving, and it's healthy living water. It has fish, tadpoles, invertebrates. It's an ecosystem. This thriving aquatic ecosystem will attract mosquitoes' natural predators, dragonflies. Just one dragonfly can eat hundreds of mosquitoes in a day. Not only do adult dragonflies eat mosquitoes, so too do the juvenile dragonflies known as nymphs. An adult dragonfly will only live for about a month, and because water is so important to their life cycle, they'll usually stay close to a permanent water body, like a backyard pond. Unlike mosquitoes, dragonflies need deeper, healthier water to reach maturity, the sort of water a well-designed backyard pond provides. A dragonfly nymph can take months or even years to reach maturity. A mosquito can go from egg to adult in as little as 4 days up to a month. And that's why you'll find mosquito larvae in these stagnant shallow bodies of water that may not be permanent, and why you'll find dragonflies in and around more permanent sources of water. For the mosquitoes, it makes perfect sense to inhabit these shallow, less permanent bodies of water simply because their number one predator cannot. I've got lots of ponds and I live in a high rainfall area. When I see mosquito larvae, it's not in my ponds, it's in an old bucket I accidentally left out, or the bottom of a planter dish. In my ponds, there's simply just too many predators for the larvae to survive. In summer, I sit out by the ponds without a worry in the world, but like I said, I'm biased. But please don't let the worry of mosquitoes prevent you from having something like this in your backyard. A pond brings in so much life, diversity, and joy that it would be a shame to miss out on. If you do want to learn how to build and maintain a healthy pond ecosystem without spending too much money, scroll through my previous videos or visit my website for helpful tips and tricks. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to tickle the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching. See ya.